Okay, this is a video of what actually happens to a cell phone when put inside of a microwave. I don't see anything, but I can hear stuff. Whoa. And that's what happens after like 10 seconds. There's some phone juice. Obviously, it was the built-in antenna that went. Got its side. Show all the smoke, so maybe not. Pretty fucked up actually on this video. Also, microwave coffee to the point that coffee sugar. Hey, it's cleaning up now. To the point where it turned into rock candy or something. So as you can see, after I'm not good at math, but from 3 minutes to that, 27 minutes, 27 seconds actually. I don't know if you can see, but the phone's quite screwed. Screen was cracked. Holy shit. Okay, it was only cracked before. But, yeah, I think we'll still hold the charge. I only have a couple seconds left recording my videos, so... Whoa! Nope, guess I'm ending it beforehand.